Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download UnitedHealthcare app for claims and benefits status, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the UnitedHealthcare app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Next, locate and open your device's App Store. If you have an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, find and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type UnitedHealthcare. Press the search button or tap enter on your keyboard. Look for the app titled UnitedHealthcare in the search results. Ensure the app is developed by UnitedHealthcare Services Incorporated. Tap on the app to open its details page. To download the app, tap the Get or Install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account credentials. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the download is complete, open the app by tapping Open. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials to access your claims and benefits status. If you're a new user, follow the prompts to create an account. Provide the necessary information as requested, such as your name, email, and member ID. After logging in, navigate through the app to check your claims and benefits status. Take advantage of the features available for easy access to your healthcare information. You are now ready to manage your UnitedHealthcare account directly from the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.